our prayers out and our condolences to the people, to the city of Boston, to the people of Boston as well. Thank you.
It's a classy gesture. Two teams don't care for each other during the regular season, but coming together on this, that is J.R. Smith coming together with the rim, putting the Knicks up 5. How about second quarter? Jeff Green, big, with a hand in his face. Celtics go up 4. Later, Carmelo Anthony has averaged better than 25 a game against the Green in the regular season. He had 19 in the first half, but he was outdone by Green, who had 20 in the first half. It's already a career playoff high. Now, Boston, if they're going to advance now to at least the second round of the playoffs for the 6th straight postseason appearance, it's going to be on the strength of Jeff Green. He's going to have to come correct. Right now, Knicks up 4, 78-74. Carmelo Anthony, perhaps no surprise, NBA's regular season scoring title winner, leading all scorers with 32 points. He's done it by sharing the basketball in the second half. 23 touches, 10 passes, compared to 26 touches in the first half, where only passed it 3 times.
Well, coming up, Vernon Wells does something he hasn't done.